how to mute the students during the meeting. There are two methods. One is that you have the entire control when to mute and when to unmute the students. And the second one is that the students can mute and unmute themselves whenever they want to. So the first option is that you can turn you can turn on the mute button for everyone and they won't be able to unmute themselves. It is from here. You can see the host control option, the lock one. Just click here and you just need to scroll down a bit. So you'll be finding here it's written turn on their microphone, so just toggle it off. So once you just switch it off, they won't be able to unmute themselves. This is the first method. And the second one is that below you can see another icon here, and it is for the people. So once you click here, you can see here all muted. Since no one has joined me as yet, so if I click here all muted, obviously every one of my student will be muted, and they can unmute and mute themselves. So this is the option where you give the control to the students; they can mute and unmute themselves. But if you switch it from here, like if you just switch it off from here, turn on their microphone, they won't be able to turn on their microphones. So these are the two methods. So you can do it whatever suits you according to your class. Thank you.